count 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go.
So hello guys, welcome to my boxing video. So we need to open this Mario. I think. Wait, I mean to open the box. Okay. It's working. Okay. 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 So this is what we need to do first. Okay, read this. Okay, first I need to open Mario. There we go. Daddy,
Yeah.
can you take the battery from the car?
Where do you want to put it? I'll do that for you later. Just open all those and show you something.
Okay, so this is what we need to. Wait, we have to read the instruction after we do number 3. Okay, number 1. Oh, bring Mario out.
Show the instruction.
Okay, so this is what the instruction looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's ready. Okay, so what do we need to do first with the Goomba? Okay, the Goomba. Some 2. Okay.
Yeah, but is that plastic one? No, is it?
Yes, it is plastic 1.
Okay.
There's a number 1.
Let's double check.
Wait, bro.
Okay, so that was number 1. We took the box.
So first, wait, we have to restart. First we need, first we need to repair Mario. First we need to screw it, and first put the legs. Okay, I got it. And first put the hat on. Okay, let's go to number next. Okay, first put the ears on. I don't know if I'm allowed.
Show me in the camera. Show me how you put the ears on.
Wait, let me show you. Look. I don't know if I'm allowed to put the ears on.
Yes, you want. You did.
Okay, and in number 3. Okay, wait, we have to remove the hat. First, we need to put the hat on. And number. Okay, wait. There. Yellow stone. I'm looking for yellow stones. Wait, I will see how Mario do it. It turns blue. Okay. So what? Now what do we need to go do? Now what do we need to do? Okay.
Goomba one more time. Let me see.
Okay. Goomba, Goomba, Goomba. Okay. Look. Super Mario. Yahoo! Mario. Mamma mia! Come on. Okay, now first, wait, Mama. Mama.
You have to put it in the camera where your friend can see.
Huh?
Put it in the camera where your friend can see.
Okay. Mamma mia. Okay. And what do we need to do next? Wait, can you help me to read the instruction? You drop the oak over there, and you have to help me to read the instruction, and you have to click the button, both.
Okay, the button has already been clicked.
Okay. Wait. If the button is already clicked, then what did I need to do with the Goomba?
Okay, so we have Mario ready. You put the ears. Oh, okay, yes, and you also put the yellow thing.
Yeah, and now it's a yellow button. It's where Mario wear the shorts.
Okay.
So it's the. Did you remember what it called?
No, what?
Yellow buttons.
Okay.
Okay, but we need batteries.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask Daddy to get us some batteries. Okay?
Daddy, can you get out some batteries
Okay.
Okay.
today?
Yes, I will get you some today.
Ooh.
What? Oh, we need to do the Goomba first.
Mm-hmm.
We need to use the phone. Mama, first let's grab your other phone.
Yeah, but let's finish. Let's find the Goomba first.
Okay.
So
Then you
we
make
have-
two styles of biscuit. No. No. My Goomba's ruined.
Mm-mm.
Look.
Don't ruin. We can get it out. I'm gonna try and get it out for you. Okay. Be careful.
Okay.
There you go.
Bro, that's a button again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so first we need the pile from Lay. I didn't know Goomba have legs.
You did?
No. Okay. Me. First, we need to talk with fire. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay? Okay, let's see. Let's see. So image. Okay.
You really don't have to not put it on this YouTube channel.
Well, give him a hug because we might leave before you come out. Okay?
Mama,
Yes.
can you help me to find these one? These one for the back? Because Goomba love Goomba. Because I always love Goombas.
So you almost did it. Look, you pretty much did it. So
Yeah, but it's not finished. Look at the instruction. Look. The Goomba has to work. So that's what I need. I made a mistake.
you made a mistake.
Yeah. Wait. Man.
Your boat is ready. Your coffee is ready.
Thank you.
So when you want to go, you just
Oh. Goomba. Goomba. Must be like that. Mama?
Yes.
Look at this Goomba.
Show me. Okay, go show it to your friend on the camera.